Linking your bank account to your Line app can enhance your experience by allowing for easier transactions and payments. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Open the Line app. Launch the Line app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Asrock to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to Wallets. In the Settings menu, find and select the Wallet option. This is where you can manage your payment methods and link your bank account. Step 4. Add bank account. Look for the option to add bank account or link bank account. Follow the prompts to enter your bank details, including your account number and any required identification. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a verification message or email to finalize the linking process. Now you are ready to use your bank account with the Line app for transactions. Enjoy the convenience of managing your finances directly from your mobile device.